Minister Imran Khan says the government working to give provisional status to Gilgit-Baltistan. UN has called for an urgent ceasefire in Yemen as the conflict has killed over 233,000 people during 6 years in the country. In Pakistan, 75 more people died of coronavirus in the country over the last 24 hours. NATO Secretary-General Jens Stoltenberg has called for a renewed agreement between United States and Russia on nuclear arms control. UN chief reiterates two-state solution to Israeli and Palestinian conflict. UN and Ethiopia signed deal for humanitarian access to Tigray. UK approved Pfizer-BioNTech COVID vaccine for use. Azerbaijani forces raised flag in last district handed back by Armenia.